Okay.
Only the 4th Vanity ever found.
The fuck? Oh, let me go back.
It's real.
Holy shit, dude.
Is that like a certain kind of blade?
It's rare as hell.
It's the rarest Dover elevator in
Oh
history.
man. Shit, dude.
That is cool.
That's probably what a lot of these used to be. Pardon our excitement.
This is so the only other place that we know of that has this. There's one in Chicago, I think, right?
No, there's none
There's
in Chicago.
The Denver Airport has one.
Yes. I just saw a video of one the other day. Apparently,
it's on this side.
some guy in Minneapolis found one.
Darn, this is so cool.
So why are they so rare? Like,
I don't know.
They
they're
just
bizarre.
didn't really install many of these.
Yeah.
Nobody chose to have them.
And what's interesting is this fixture is more durable than the classic traditional.
Yeah.
I gotta
That's
get a
so
picture
cool.
of this.
Yeah, that's really fucking cool.
Here, I'm gonna get a picture of this.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a picture of this. That's it.